Welcome to Rainbow Network Media. Please kindly subscribe to this channel for interesting news. Thank you all for listening. Aircraft of the Nigerian Air Force under Operation Thunder Strike have bombarded at least 20 terrorists, otherwise known as bandits, who were heading for the Nigerian Defense Academy (NDA) in Kaduna State. Credible intelligence source told PR Nigeria that the bandits, riding on over 50 motorcycles, were seen on Thursday evening advancing towards the academy in Kaduna State. Recall that gunmen suspected to be bandits invaded the military academy institution in June 2021. During the previous attack, a Nigerian army captain was abducted as the criminals shot 2 soldiers dead. Following a tip-off on movement of bandits through the military schools general areas on Thursday, 2 Nigerian Air Force NAV helicopter gunships were dispatched to engage the criminals, who had taken off from Dumari village in the Gwari local government area. The bandits in their numbers were sighted in makeshift tents and motorcycles amounting to 50. On sighting the aircraft, the bandits started flying into the fringe of the forest. This brought about an objective and very decisive rain of hell from above on the miscreants, as surviving bandits seemed to be scrambling for safety from the superior air presence were effectively mopped up. More so, as it is customary, feedback received on Friday after the operation from both the ground force and local source revealed that the bandits were effectively disorientated and suffered a loss of about 20 bandits. Also, their plans of harassing and shaming the Nigerian Defense Academy and the government of the day were effectively thwarted, he said. So guys, the aircraft of the Nigerian Air Force under the Operation Thunder Strike have bombarded at least 20 terrorists, otherwise known as bandits, who were heading for the Nigerian Defense Academy in Kaduna State. Credible intelligence source told the PR Nigeria that the bandits riding on over 50 motorcycles were seen on Thursday evening and advancing towards the academy in Kaduna State. So guys, this is a great plus for the Nigeria Academy because they swing into action effectively and in time, for them being able to bombard and bomb down 20 bandits that are advancing to attack the Nigerian Defense Academy in Kaduna. So guys, let's know your thoughts concerning the insecurity situation ravaging the country. Please drop your views. Your comments are highly welcome, and please don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more updates. Thank you all for listening.